Hey VH Beauties, Deanna here. Today I created this smoky eye makeup look using the new Marvyn Macnificent palette. So if you want to know how to get it, keep watching. Taking my brush number 6 from the Marvyn Macnificent brush set, I'm going to go in with Meant to Be and place that under my brow. Next, taking brush number 7, I'm going to go in with At the Beach and place that in my crease. Going in with the same number 7 brush, I'm going to grab Rooftop and also blend that out into the crease. Next, taking brush number 8, I'm going to go in with Crusty and place that all over my lid. Next, using the same number 8 flat brush, I'm going to go in with Karma Regelt and place that on the lid closer to the lash line. Next, I'm going to go back in with my number 7 blending brush and blend out all the colors. Taking my flat brush number 8, I'm going to go back in with Crusty and place that underneath the lash line. Going in with the same brush, I'm going to take Karma Regelt and also place that in the lower lash line. Lastly, taking my brush number 9, I'm going to go in with the shade Self Made and place that in my inner corners and under my brow to highlight. Going back in with the blending brush, I'm going to smooth everything out and make sure everything is well transitioned. So I went ahead and added mascara and lashes, and here we have the completed look using the Marvyn Macnificent palette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to hashtag VH Cosmetics so we can see your creation. Bye guys.